Kit Kat, come on. Come on, down. Down. Morning everybody. We've got something a little bit different today. It's not new work. What it is, it's out in the bush. Beautiful spot. And I'll show you what I'm painting today. Now the colours are going to be fairly light, so I'm going to probably have to put 3 coats over it, and I'm going to be using this stuff. And that's the colour there. The brush, pot, yeah, going to go for it.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. Stop spinning, my head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning? Saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? chance, concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but knowing that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me.
G'day guys, we've got a little problem here and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to fix it, and then you're going to argue with me in saying that I'm a dodgy bastard, but I'm going to tell you something, it works. We've got a hole there we've had to take out off a bracket, so we've got a hole. Now we can fill it with silicone, but that's going to take forever. So what we're going to do, we're going to get sticky tape, and this is a Scotch 3M. Now, I've seen this in action. I've seen this 20 years later on a repaint. It's still looking good. And the only way we were able to find it is when we hit it with a sander and it just went poof, and it was tape. So there you go. I wouldn't recommend you do it all the time, but this is a modular building, so you can get away with it. Oh God, I just changed this camera. Damn it. I think I got a paintbrush and real. I just painted this camera. Now that paint will hold that. Put another coat on that and it'll be as good as gold. Here it is up there. So we'll cheat a bit. I need the drill, which I've got right here. And I need this paint. I'm just going to run up here. Hang this paint here. Take this out here. Pop that back in there. Get some of my good old piggy tape. This is a pretty good tape anyhow, it's not a cheap one. Don't tell your friends this, alright? I don't want you guys doing it. It's only for us old fellas that have actually seen it work and seen it 20 years later. That really understand the power of sticky tape with paint on it. We normally use it on Queenslanders on the timber. I've got to get up on the roof yet and paint some section that's been hasn't been done yet, and then this whole thing's finished. So I've got to put a ladder up and get up top there and lay down. I've got a section about from here to there on the other side on top of an awning. So anyhow, wish me luck. Hope I don't fall off. Bye.